What is this called?
A survival kit.
Okay, so it's a survival kit that's made.
It's a homemade survival kit.
With, and all of this is in an Altoid. It's an
Altoid can. It's got ripcord.
A picnic survival kit, or like a camping.
Camping survival.
Yeah. Okay, so that is what?
Ripcord.
Ripcord.
In case you need to tie anything.
Okay, so you have that, and then
more ripcord.
Oh my god! I think a little bit too. 22 more minutes.
okay.
It's almost done.
All right. Well, what if you don't have scissors?
It'll cut. If you're camping, you should at least have a knife.
Okay.
What is this for?
It's for because you can tie anything down.
Say hi.
Are anybody even watching this?
Oh, I don't have it live. I'm gonna put it on YouTube.
He's gonna. Oh, you just put my face. Oh.
It's my YouTube, not yours.
Yeah, but I'm the one that knows a lot about it.
Oh, okay.
Oh no, they heard me. I'm sorry, people.
What if you don't have a knife?
You better have a knife.
I don't think you're not surviving very well if you can't even get it open.
I have a knife.
Okay, you couldn't get it open either.
I know. But if you had a pocket knife.
I have a pocket knife.
There's a pocket knife right there on the table.
Okay, guys.
I'm just trying to cut it real easily. That way nothing falls out of it.
Oh, okay.
I'm sure you could get a stick and just open it.
Yeah.
If he was in the.
If it's actual survival, you'll find a way.
Okay.
I'll just bite it with my teeth. No,
Okay, let's see.
Okay.
Put it over here so I can look and see it. Okay. All right. So is that for heat?
This is water purification tablets.
Okay.
Oh, so just in case you need water?
I'll clean the water.
Okay.
And there's a pocket knife. It's inside there.
Oh my god.
Okay. Go in.
Okay, it's got a flashlight.
A little flashlight.
Don't use
Hold on. There you go. A little
Pocket
flashlight.
knife.
Okay.
There's an
A little
emergency
pocket
blanket.
knife. Emergency blanket.
This?
Yeah, it
Hold on.
unfolds. Don't
Okay, hold on. Let's see it. No, I want to unfold it.
No, this isn't the blanket. This is just foil. This
Okay.
is to cook.
Foil. Okay.
There's
Drugs.
Aiden.
this is for the water. So you can put those H2O 1 tablet per bag.
What
Let me
is
see.
it?
Give it to me after you're done.
What is it?
Okay, H2O water bag.
A candle, a lighter.
A birthday candle. Is it because we're going to have a birthday party?
In case we need to sing happy birthday in an emergency.
Oh my
Okay.
god.
A lighter.
A lighter.
This is more. I don't know what this is.
Let me see.
But it's
Oh my god.
Let's see. Beef jerky?
no, it's not beef jerky.
No.
Antibiotic.
What is it?
Band. I think it's a line when you want to start a fire, you cut it and it lights up. It's got
Okay.
wax on it.
A Band-Aid. Okay.
There's a compass.
Oh,
Yeah,
look, a
some
little
Band-Aids.
compass. Look.
I got it.
Show it.
You can't do everything.
And
compass.
Band-Aids. More band-aids.
And more Band-Aids. All right, so put everything out. Let's see. There's
Where's
all
the
of this
blanket?
stuff. Are we going to open the blanket?
No. It's
Yuck.
not a blanket.
Oh, there's no blanket. Okay.
Are you sure there's nothing under
Yeah,
here?
yeah, just-
Oh, wait, what's this? Toothpicks?
those are the waterproof matches.
Waterproof matches. Okay. And then this. And then a pocket knife. So all of this stuff in this little bitty Altoid can. So Isaac's friend at the railroad makes these. If anybody needs one, let us know.